Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Zoom for your KuCoin-related activities. While there isn't a direct integration, you can leverage Zoom's powerful screen sharing to discuss market trends, review your portfolio, or even troubleshoot account issues with a trusted contact. This approach allows for clear visual communication. To share your KuCoin screen, first join your Zoom meeting. Locate the green Share Screen button in the meeting controls at the bottom. Click it, then carefully select only the KuCoin application window. This prevents accidental sharing of other private information. If you need to share any audio from your computer, remember to check the Share Computer Sound option. When sharing your screen, especially with financial platforms, security is paramount. Always close any unnecessary applications to avoid unintended disclosures. Be extremely cautious not to reveal sensitive information like your full API keys, passwords, or two-factor authentication codes. Always use a strong, unique password for your KuCoin account to protect your assets. For those with technical expertise, KuCoin provides an application programming interface, or API, allowing for automated trading and data access. Developers can use this to build custom tools or integrate KuCoin with other platforms. Similarly, Zoom offers its own API for creating specialized meeting functionalities, enabling advanced connections beyond standard user interactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.